Hi, welcome to Mariel Beads and Beyond. Today I'm going to show you really quick how to make this pair of earrings. They look really cute and they're really easy to make. And you can use any type of thread that you have available. You're going to need a wire, you're going to need your earring hooks, a bead of your choice. And I hope you guys like this tutorial. Let's get started. So first, you're going to need thread. You can use cord, you can use whatever you like. You can even use ribbon. You want to thread a needle and you want to have it ready. The second up, you need to find something that it has the length that you need for your tassel, and it has to be a little bit longer. Just in case you make any mistake, you can always cut it and make it the size you want to. I'm using this carton. I cut it on the size I want to. And to start, we're just going to start a little bit longer. And I'm using these pieces of thread that I have. As you can see, they're already cut. There are like 10 of them, but you can use any color. So we're just gonna start wrapping it around the box. And you don't want to tie this. So just do it really soft. And continue all the way around until you get to the end of your thread. This is what you should have. So what you're gonna do next, you are going to use your needle and you're gonna pass it under and then do it again and one more time, and you can make a knot right here. You can start pulling your thread, and this thread, it doesn't matter if it's a different color because you're gonna cut it later. So right here I can just fold my box and get it out and pull my threads, make another knot. You just want it to be secure. You can make an extra knot if you want to. It's up to you. Right now you can cut the excess thread. This is what you should have. So what you're gonna do next, you are going to find the center. We are going to start cutting our threads. And remember, it doesn't have to be perfect because that's why we make it longer. So if there's any issue, we can just cut it and make it the size we want to. This is what you should have. So right now, what we are going to do, we are going to cut at least 10 inches of wire. And this is 22 wire, non-tarnished. You can find this wire at MarielBeadsandBeyond.com. So you want to cut a piece, we'll say like 10 inches long. You're going to put like 1.5 inches. You're going to hold it. And you're going to wrap it around 2 or 3 times. It's up to you. You can do it 2 times. You can do it 3 times. This is up to you. Right now, like 1 centimeter down, we are going to fold this. And we are going to try to fix our tassel the way we want to. Try to keep your thread straight. Right here, we are going to put our thumb holding the wire and we are going to bend it again. So right now, we are going to start wrapping the wire around. So just continue to wrap around as many times as you want to. For me, 4 is okay, so I'm just going to cut the excess wire. With your pliers, we are going to hold the tip and we are going to bend it. We want to tuck it in the tassel. Really careful. You're going to continue until you get it all in. Right now, like if you see a thread like this one, it's coming out, you can just pull it and try to find which one it is, and then you pull it in again. Like this too. And that is if you want it perfect. So the next thing we're gonna do, we are going to bring this wire at the center and we are going to fold it like that. We are going to put up pliers. We are going to rotate around the pliers. Make sure to fix your wire. You want the front. This is my front, so I want my wire on the right direction. So we are going to hold it and we are just going to wrap around. So 1, 2. You can continue around one more time, or you can just cut your wire. Remember, these are just ideas. It's all up to you. We just gotta hide the end of our wire. And we have our tassel ready. The other thing, like if you can see my thread, it's all like wrinkled. If you wet it, it'll become straight, and then you can start cutting the edges. Just do a little bit at a time. Don't try to go all the way until you get the length that you want and it looks straight. We're gonna get like 1.5 inches of 2 inches of wire. We are going to put our pliers, put the pliers on top, bring the wires towards you, rotate the pliers, and continue all the way. Put your pliers, and with your hand or with your pliers, just wrap it around 2 times or 3 times. Cut the excess. Grab the bead that you want to. For this tutorial, I'm going to use this UFO bead. Put your pliers on top. Bend the wire. And we're going to repeat the same step. Before we close it, we want to put our tassel in. Hold your loop and just wrap it around. Cut the excess wire, tuck the end in. All we have to do now is put our earring hook. We are going to open our earring hook. We are going to set it in. And we are going to close it. There you go. You have a beautiful pair of earrings, and they're really easy to make. So I hope you guys like this tutorial. I hope it was easy to follow along. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, like my videos. Until next time.